So I recently met two students who passed out from the same college, same university in 2024. One of them got a job in a service-based company and he has been earning 3.5 to 5 lakh rupees in the last 2 years. But the second guy was not able to get a job on campus, but he did something interestingly different. He started building applications and looking out for problems in and around him, and he was able to make way more money. He has roughly made around 25 lakhs in the last 1.5 years just building applications for businesses and for problems in and around him. And he started alone with no team and he has made it possible. Now he has a team of 15 people who work under him and he gets work done from that team and give it to clients, and he has a monthly run rate of 10 lakh rupees right now. But how is this possible in 2026? Everyone has been talking about AI. Some of you are afraid, some of you are taking the opportunity, and I think this is the best time that can help you make money smartly using AI to the best of its use cases. Look around you, there's a shopkeeper, there's somebody who is running a local business, a jewelry business, a shopping mall, or somebody who is even managing a parking system. So many of them have been using the tools which are already available, and you can go to them, figure out what problem they are facing, and can build applications for them from scratch with minimal resources, and you can make a lot of money. How can you do that? I'll show you in this video how can you build a simple application tracking system. It's one of the most important applications when it comes to HR tech. A lot of companies hire candidates and they have an internal portal known as Applicant Tracking System, where they can have information of the candidate entirely, which all jobs he or she has applied to, how many interviews he has done, what has been the interview feedback, and when are they closing the loop. So this is the dashboard that is accessible to recruiters, that is accessible to the hiring manager, and you can manage the candidate information from there. So this is a very simple app and you can build it for a smaller company and sell it, right? So I'll be building it using Softr and their AI Co-Builder that has recently been launched, and this is not another auto-completer, this is not another vibe coding tool, but you can do stuff end to end. You can integrate any of your dashboard. There are so many different tools, be it Airtable, HubSpot, and a lot of different tools that you can integrate in your applications very seamlessly. So without any further ado, let's get started and I'll showcase you how Softr can help you build an application tracking system from scratch. So once you go onto the link in the description, you can go and visit Softr and you will be here at this portal once you log in. And this is the place where you can write your prompt. You can also, once you create a new app, you will have an option to start with a template or start from scratch, or you can do it via an AI Co-Builder. So I already have a prompt written for my applicant tracking system for a startup with 3 user roles: admin, recruiter, and hiring manager. I need an app with these core features wherein there should be database tables, candidates, interviews, evaluations. So end-to-end platform that would be very useful for recruiters, hiring managers, and the office admin. The pipeline for candidates would be they applied, then the screening happens, phone interview happens, technical round, HR round, offer, hire or rejected. And the pages that I need is, it's a dashboard with open positions count, candidates in pipeline, interview scheduled this week, and offer acceptance rates. I would also need some job listing page where recruiters can create, edit, and close job postings, candidate detail page, interview calendar, evaluation form page, and I would need some permissions. Admin should have full access to everything so that he can manage who is being hired, who is getting hired, or what is the total headcount. Recruiter can edit, create new jobs, can add candidates, can schedule interviews, and view the candidate data. Hiring manager can only view candidates assigned to their jobs, right? And they can submit their evaluations. So I've also asked it to submit some sample data so that I can showcase how it actually looks. I'll simply give this prompt, and the AI Co-Builder at Softr has already started building this. Let's see how much time it takes, and I'll come back to you. So it's asking me a few questions. How will your users log in? I'll give email. I can also give Google or SSO. Can people sign up on their own? No, yes, or domain security. I would say yes, they can sign up on their own. What should be the app's main navigation point? So what kind of navigation do I want? Do I want it at the top? Do I want it at the top? So I would want it at the top for both mobile and desktop. And they have so many themes to choose from. I'll click on one of these themes, like maybe I'll choose Mulberry. I'll click on create my app. So it's going to create an applicant tracking system for a startup to manage jobs, everything. This is the main features, and it has started putting things together. It has started creating a blank database for my ATS system, and this is what I see, right? So let's see how much time it takes, and I'll come back to you once it is done. And you can see within just a few minutes, I think it would be less than 5 minutes, the app is ready and we can try the app live as well. So if I'll click on try the app live, so you can see it's opening in another dashboard and I can use different features of the application, and this is how it looks like. But let's see what it did. So there were so many things that it did. So it started with applying updates. It added sample users for admin, recruiter, hiring manager. It created the core ATS tables, linked the tables so that jobs, candidates and evaluations can relate correctly. Generated 64 sample records across 4 tables. It is applying updates, linking records, linking jobs to interviews, linking evaluation to exactly one reviewer, created an ATS page, added evaluation form and connected it to the evaluations table, set up a job listing page, set up the candidate pipeline, added an interview calendar with the KPI row, and set up the home dashboard with a welcome header, and it also linked your collection blocks to the matching details, so clicking on items as its details views. So these are the steps it did, and this is the dashboard that I can see. There are so many different things. I can navigate through each and every part of it. So there are a few positions that are open. So these are this is the jobs page, this is the candidates page. So I can look out for jobs page, which all jobs are currently being hired, the company being hiring for. Technical product lead, junior backend developer, for which locations, what is the salary range, and this is the draft, and how many candidates are in the pipeline. So Priya Sharma would have applied for it, Elena is in the screening round, David is in the phone screening round, Marcus is in the technical round, and so on. And there are so many other things also, right? There's job listings, there's candidate pipeline, interview calendar, evaluation form. And for example, now I don't like the color of this. I would want to change the theme to, let's say, black. How it would change? Let's see. I've just simply given a prompt and it will be able to change the theme. Let's see. So it's asking me another question. Would you like the primary color to be black? I want the background to be black. Dark mode looks, yeah. So I can see I can have the dark mode there in front of me. I can see different job postings, candidate plan, interview plan, evaluation form. And from here also, right, if I want to add anything, I can add a different block. I can delete a different block. For example, I don't want this block here. I simply have an option to delete this block. It will delete the column container directly. So how simple is that, right? I have this column deleted. If I want to undo it, I can undo it also. Next, for example, I can see multiple different things. For example, data. So there's a separate tab wherein I can see the entire data. Like this is the candidate, this is the screening round, this is the feedback, these are the number of stars that got. Candidate was Alice Johnson, what was the job he was interviewing for, who was the interviewer, and any other field that we want. So so many candidates, like we can track the entire data of the candidate. This is for interviews, for evaluations. What is the recommendation? Is it a strong yes? Is it a strong no? Candidates, how many candidates? Like these are the 8 candidates that are there in the database. What are the different jobs they're applying for? These are the different jobs that they've applied for, and these are the users, right? So admin, I am the admin, so these are the 3 recruiters, these are the hiring managers, and so admins would have access to everyone and anyone. Recruiters would have some privileges, and hiring managers would also have some privileges. So who has evaluated interviews? So I've for example, admin has taken 2 and 3 interviews, recruiter has taken 10, 11, 12 interviews. Evaluations as per reviewer, there are so many evaluations, and you can add another field also, you can remove another field also. And if I want to select the entry and I want to go to evaluations, I can add stuff here very quickly. Then I can sort things up with respect to name, timeline, role. I can filter things up, and this is the default view. If I want to add a new view, I can also add a new view, right? With respect to users, so I can see the information of all the users who are there, what all positions they are from, what's the source, email, password, onboarding, user groups. I have, if I want to put some data restrictions, I can do that. Notifications, I have whatever notifications. I can send invite emails, I can send a one-time code, email change confirmation, reset password. Authentication, how can they authenticate? It's via an email. Also, for example, I want to make a change anywhere. For example, I select this block and I want to change something in it by vibe coding. You can simply go to sources and you can select which database you are connected to. You are connected to software databases, applicant tracking system, what exactly you want, jobs, and you can put in your filters here. For example, filter for date and time, filter for department, filter for like if you want a logged in user, if you want engineering, if you want product. So you can set the criteria and you can customize it as per you, right? Also, for example, I want to make a change in any of the blocks. I want one more block on the dashboard with the top testimonials from candidates. Please add the sample testimonials. So let's see if it can add the sample testimonials. So it is adding a testimonial block. You can see. Let's see where it gets added. Yeah, so you can see this is the testimonial block that has been added, and how simple it is, right? Moreover, you can create workflows also. When I say workflows, you can simply go to workflow, and I can create a new workflow for my database. For example, if at all I want, whenever the interview is scheduled, right, it should send me a Slack message. So that workflow I'm creating. So you simply need to click on whenever a record is added, then you simply send it to me on Slack. You send direct message to a user, and I can configure my Slack from here, right? If I can configure my Slack from here, I can connect to Slack. Once I connect to Slack, it will get this thing done. So once an interview is scheduled, I will get my Slack message that this interview has been scheduled, and you can create as many workflows as possible, that too very simply with Softr. New block, right? So there's an option to add a new block. I can add a new list, I can add a new grid, I can add a new table, I can add items, right? If I want to add this new block, and I can edit this on the go. If I want to duplicate this, if I want to move inside, if I want to duplicate, if I want to copy to, if I want to add notes, so I can add notes like I will edit it later to match the company values. So I've just saved a note here, and this is how it looks like, right? These are the positions, these are the interviews, and everything out there, right? So this is the candidate pipeline, these are the different styles that I have, and this is how it looks like. From here also, like if at all you want to change anything with respect to your page, like this is the evaluation form. So if I want to submit evaluation for somebody, I can do that. I wanted an interview calendar, so this is how the interview calendar looks like for this ATS system. These are the candidate details. I've already shown you how have been the candidates, what's the feedback, and what's the star rating that they've got. How I want to see the onboarding flow. So it's like if at all somebody wants to get started with it, so this is how the onboarding flow would look like. How would the login page look like? How would the sign up page look like? How would the account settings be look like? For example, I am one of the recruiters or admin, my candidate, my set would look like this. The link expired page would look like this. Permission denied page would look like this. Themes, right? I can choose from different themes. Like currently it's purplish. If I want to make it more whitish, I can do this. If I want to change the styles, typography, navigation, or advanced, I can do that itself. And there's settings option wherein I can, if I want to connect it to external tools like Zapier or Make or Crisp, I can do that within the same. If I want to add mobile application or global search or SEO or social media sharing, that is also possible. So many different features, and you have your application there in front of you, just as you want to see it, right? So this is how easy it is for Softr AI Co-Builder to build anything and everything for you, and you can use this to build any and every application for businesses anywhere out in the world and earn money. Make sure you check out the link in the description and get your bonus credits and start building on Softr today. So that was it for this particular video. I hope you understood how can you build these applications and sell it to local businesses. You can do it yourself. You can list your profiles across freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and now there are so many more. You can start creating content and talk about how are you building these websites, and that will get you a lot of leads to which you can supply these websites, and you can run a good agency business with 20-30 people under you in a span of 2 years if you start from 1% today and a software like Softr that can help you build your applications end to end. Let me know in the comments below what are you planning to build with Softr, and you can get access to Softr from the link in my description. You will also get some bonus credits if you join via the link that I share. That was it for this particular video. Thank you so much. See you in some other video. Till then, all the best. Good luck. Bye.